They say food can heal your soul. I believe that is true. I believe food has a deeper meaning than just feelings for an empty stomach. It brings emotions, connections, memories. For years, food has been a way for me to express myself, a source for my creations, and fuel to my passions. My name is Frank, and welcome to my world. I'm a chef, but I'm also a content creator, and for the last 3 years I have been sharing story of my life through recipes to the food lover community, and I love every single moment of it. But my life has not always been this exciting. Before I started my channel, I was at a very low point of my life, working 50 hours a week without any creativities and purpose. It was stressful. I was suffer from insomnia and high blood pressure. It was so hard that I thought about giving up my career as a chef. But I couldn't let that happen. I have to do something about it. Photography has always been a hobby of mine. I thought to myself that if I could not express my creativity at work, I might as well do it at home. So I picked up my camera, start taking photos of the food I cook, and posted them onto Facebook for my families and friends. To my surprise, they love it. They actually love it. And I started to get questions for recipes. So with the help of a close friend and my wife, we create a food blog and name it Culinary Frank. And a few months later, my YouTube channel Culinary Frank went live. And my life had turned into a whole new page. I'm still working 50 hours per week. But ever since I started my channel, I feel alive. It's like a part of me has been discovered and set free. Before, I have never thought that a kitchen could be a peaceful place. As a chef, it was always feel like I am the warrior. Food was my bullet, and the kitchen is the war zone. But now, food has become my way of meditation. The kitchen is now a soothing place for me to gather my thoughts, release my stress, and my passion for food is burning brighter than ever before. After all that I had been through, I am thankful for all of it. If I didn't hit rock bottom, I wouldn't know there is a world full of opportunities for me to discover. Nothing in life comes easy. It's gonna get sticky before it becomes smooth. Just like when you're making a loaf of bread. The stickiness is essential to build up the gluten, so when the dough expands, it will not collapse. Just like life is toughen you up, so that you are prepared for what to come. And when it comes, you will be ready.